Hey guys, welcome to my channel. The day before my birthday, I decided to do my own Jumbo Boho Island Twists because I needed a budget-friendly style that screams, I'm on vacation, even if I'm just at the nearest Lagos beach sipping Fanta out of a straw. If you love cute, easy DIY hairstyles, subscribe right now, you're in the perfect place. For this hairstyle, you'll need bendy rollers, any hair cream of your choice, oil sheen, and hair mousse. Let's get into it. So, I washed, blew out, and pre-parted my hair at the salon the day before. Honestly, I just didn't have the time to be parting at home. Work smarter, not harder, right? I'm not a professional braider, so I don't really stress about the outcome being perfect. I just want it to look good enough to rock. Which brings us to the extensions. I actually reused some hair from the last time I did this style. I only kept it in for a week, so it was easy to unravel and reuse. Because listen, Nigeria is hard and I'm definitely not too fancy for old braiding hair. A true DIY queen can always make it work. But I also bought 2 medium packs of lush hair in color 33 and 30 and had some leftover 27 and silver. For a very rich color mix, I started at the back. I braid my own hair 2 or 3 times, then add in a small piece of braiding hair. I kept adding till I liked the thickness and length. Simple. When you're twisting, remember, roll and twist, like a little rhythm for your fingers. And don't braid all the way down, you want to leave some hair at the ends for curling. To secure the twist, I just pull out a thin piece and tie it around a few times. That keeps it locked in. For the boho curls, I take a longer piece of hair, twist it in just a little, then leave the rest hanging out before continuing the twist. I added whatever color I wanted as I added extensions to make the twist thicker, rather than pre-mixing the extensions together prior. I could do a mix of 33, then 27 with the boho leave out in 30, or do a mix of 33, 27 and silver in the next one, and it came out so pretty at the end.
One eternity later.
After hours and hours, I finally reached the last braid. I know my center part wasn't so straight. The lady that sectioned it could have done better, but honestly, I don't mind. I actually think braids look their best once they've aged a little and gotten messy. That's when I feel the most beautiful. Anyone else, or just me? So I finished up, sectioned my hair with a scrunchie, brushed out the leave-outs, added mousse, and wrapped them in bendy rollers. While wrapping the hair around the roller, make sure to roll and wrap, just like you would do if you were twisting. I did the same thing to the ends. Same motion, roll and wrap. Then I dipped the hair in hot water off camera because I needed to concentrate and not burn myself. I still get anxiety till this day about dipping my braids in hot water.
To this day! To this day!
And that's it. I'm done and it's giving island girl vacation ready. Perfect for my birthday at the beach. By the way, I vlogged my stay at a really peaceful and affordable Lagos beach resort, linked if you want to check that out. So, what do you think? Will you try this style? And I'm on a mission to grow my hair to butt length. Protective styles like this are my best friend. I've been doing my own hair for a while. I should have been sharing, but better late than never. I'll be posting from now on, so subscribe and come along with me. Drop your hair growth tips in the comments too, because I need all the help I can get. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.